How to fix SIM not working or showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Let's get started. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix SIM card recognition issues. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. Then you'll get the slider. Slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. With that, your problem might be solved. Next, check for iOS update. For that, navigate to the option of Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Next, remove and reinsert the SIM card. A loose or improperly inserted SIM card can cause detection issues. So, power off your iPhone, use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to remove the SIM card. Then, reinsert the SIM card properly and power the iPhone back on. Next, turning airplane mode on and off can reset your phone's connection to cellular networks. For that, open your control center, click on this airplane icon, wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Check carrier settings update. For that, open your settings, go to the option General, click on the option About. If a carrier update is available, you will see a prompt to update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Next, reset network settings. For that, head back. Scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. If none of above methods work and your SIM card is still not showing, there may be a hardware issue with your iPhone SIM card reader or related components. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further diagnosis and repair. If you find this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.